Hello, it is Marek Dłuski, Stalmar Company. We provide a comprehensive barn equipment for farmers. We also manufacture island station roofs and other various types of steel constructions. We provide roofing and locksmith services on lathe, welding machines and CNC plasma cutting machines. I met Michał with the help of a colleague to whom he had previously offered various types of industrial machinery. I chose Michał's offer because he had chosen a machine for me that met my requirements, and he crushed the competition in terms of price. We ordered, or as far as we could, cut out the workpieces ourselves. We cut, ground and drilled holes. I expected us to have less work, a better quality of our products and to be more competitive on the market. My expectations have come true since I use the machine when it is convenient for me, and I can cut out any unusual dreamlike shape I want. Previously we needed 3 people to do this, but now I can do it all myself, calmly, without any nerves, using less electric power. The shearing machine absorbs around 8 kW of power, a drilling and puncturing machines absorb 5 kW of power each. Although plasma consumes 20 kW of power, it costs less than 3 other devices that are needed for the same component to produce in proportion to the time. The contact with Michał is excellent. He advised us via phone after any shortcomings happened after the training or we just forgot about something. Consumables are provided when needed. After just one call we receive all necessary consumables within 2 days. Information exchange with Michał is very well. No problems occur. I would give it an A+. Now we may say that it is irreplaceable to our workshop. Every time a customer dreams of any unusual shape, we can just create it by using the machine. I am convinced that if I needed a metalworking machine, like bending machine or shearing machine, Michał would advise me and present me with a favorable offer for our company.